Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a very exciting video. So I've teamed up with Coconut Lane, which I will talk about in a second, to bring you an unboxing video and a giveaway. So basically Coconut Lane has sent me out this parcel here and I'm going to be unboxing this for you today, and whatever is in here, exactly the same box I will be giving away to one of you guys. I'll speak about the rules once I've unboxed the box. I'm going to be unboxing this and giving one away to you guys. So I'm just going to quickly speak a bit about Coconut Lane. So basically Coconut Lane is an online website and you can buy all sorts of really cute stuff, such as like makeup bags, makeup brushes, necklaces, stationery, and I've had stationery from there in the past. There's all sorts of really cute stuff from there. You should definitely check it out. I'll put a link in the description. I actually have a discount code for the website as well if you fancy picking out anything for yourself on there. My discount code is rhiannon20 and I'll put it on the screen right now, and that gets you 20% off the whole shop. But that's about all I need to say. So I'm actually going to start unboxing this. Right, I'm sitting a bit back so that you guys can see. So basically this is just a little goodie box of some items that I picked from the website, and they put them together in a box for me, which was super sweet. And this is the box. It's just a nice white box. Okay, moment of truth. How cute. So they wrapped it up in, oh my god, how adorable. That's cute. They've wrapped it up in like, what's it called, where it's like it catches the light? Holographic. Is this holographic? Holographic little bits. Oh my god, there's literally so many, like that's not even all of it. So extra. I absolutely love this website for how extra they are. Okay, so the first thing that I can see is this makeup bag. This is a makeup bag, as you can see, and it's black marble, which I think is way more classy than white marble, and it's got a pink inside, and I absolutely love this. I'm going to Copenhagen in the summer and all my makeup bags are a bit old and manky, so I thought, why not treat myself to a nice one? And also, if you don't wear makeup, you can use this as a pencil case. It's got absolutely tons of space. They also have like so many cute designs. Like they have white marble, pink marble, gold marble, palm trees, like so many cute things. Next thing in here, I don't remember getting this, but I'm absolutely not complaining because this is so cute. I believe this is just a card on it and it says, "You're a total babe." I think that is so cute. I'm gonna save that for somebody whose birthday is coming up. Actually, not a lot of people's birthdays coming up, so I'm going to put it in the stash. Okay, the next thing I'm reaching for is a necklace, and I was so excited for this to come because it's so cute. And the only necklace I wear is this one, and I have two different pendants that I switch between on it. But this is like, oh my god, I love it. And it actually is like quite heavy as well. That's so nice. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm not going to put it on now because I genuinely can't get it on because I'm awful at putting them on. I have to like sit in front of the mirror to do it, and obviously I'm filming right now, so that wouldn't be ideal. So the next two things in here were just a little bit of fun, and I got this little donut and this cactus pin, and like, oh my god, how cute are these? I'm saying cute way too much in this video. I have a really narrow vocabulary, but basically this is just a little donut and this is just a cactus pin, and I can pin them like on my clothes or on my corkboard or wherever I want to pin them. They also have this like pastel pink and marble branding, and I love it so much. Coconut Lane do some really nice necklaces, so I kind of went a bit crazy on the necklaces and I got this one as well. This one's like silver and it's got, I think it's a clear little pendant at the bottom. This is silver, so it'll actually match the one I'm wearing, and it's got the clasp that I can actually put on. So I'm going to put it on now. There we are, I've got it on, and I need to get it round the right way. There we are. How cute. I actually really like that one because it hangs just below. And I've got two more things in here that are stationery. So the first thing, I believe this is a little pen. I actually got this last time and it's so cute. And it's just this rose gold pen. Oh my god, it's falling out. And it's got glitter inside of it, and it's adorable. And it comes in this little pink wrapper thing to keep it nice, and I already had this and I loved it so much I decided to get another one. And the final thing, and another piece of stationery which I got, was this notebook. And they have so many nice notebooks, and I was going to get a few, but I was like, no Rhiannon, that's really overkill, you only need one. And I'm not very good at using my notebooks, so I'd better just stick to one. But this is basically another black marble thing. It's a black marble notebook, and it's got plain paper on the inside, and I think the website said there was 36 pages, so pretty decent size. I wouldn't use this for school or anything because it's not big enough, but like for like stuff like uni stuff, because I have to like research unis that I want to go to and like write down like pros and cons of them and all that sort of stuff. This is really good. Obviously, whatever you want to have it for, it's cute and it's good quality. Yeah, and also Coconut Lane is always so consistent on their quality, so just thought you should know that. So that is everything they sent me, and honestly, thank you so much. Like, you never disappoint me with your products. They're always so cute, they're always like good quality, and I always use them quite a lot. So that was a bad sentence, but you know what I mean. So about the giveaway will run for 2 weeks from the date that this is uploaded, which I'm actually not too sure when it's going to be. So that will be in the description box. The rules are as follows. So you need to be following my Instagram and Coconut Lane's Instagram, both of which will be linked down below. You also need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I can check this, and I can check if you're following us. Finally, you need to comment anything in the description of this video, and just make sure you leave your Instagram handle somewhere in that comment, just so that I can contact you. I will be contacting you on Instagram. And you also need to be comfortable with giving away your address, because that's the only way it can be shipped to you. So if you're not comfortable with that, please don't enter. I will contact the winner likely the date the giveaway ends, or maybe the day after, and if they do not respond in 24 hours, I'll pick a new winner. But yeah, that is about it for the giveaway, and I'm super excited to be launching this, because I mean, you've got stationery, you've got jewellery, you've got just cute holographic plastic stuff. Like, why would you not want to enter? And that is about it. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon for a brand new video. Bye!